I'm standing at Grand Hyatt in Mumbai and we are present at the Air Cargo India 2016 exhibition. So let's get inside and let's check it out and let's see what the exhibitors have to say.
This Air Cargo India Mumbai is a very, very important platform for us.
HCC Aviation Services is one of the leading global GSAs.
Everybody is excited about the future of Indian cargo market.
We are a GSA, so we are General Sales Agent for the cargo.
Most of our customers are airlines, airports, ancillary service providers to Air Cargo industry.
Business has been good. We have almost have a 30% increase in the domestic market.
Air Cargo Forum India, I think, is much, much better.
We are at IPTEX 2016, 4th International Power Transmission Expo and Grindex International 2016.
This exhibition is focusing on the gear grinding and gear cutting.
Talking about a particular industry which is gearbox manufacturing and gear industry.
We focus only on relevant people, we don't focus on the numbers.
We got a very quality visitors, people who can make the decision.
I'm here for looking for new technology in gear cutting. I'm a gear cutting manufacturer.
We are seeing a lot of exposure in gear making.
We think we have a good opportunity for the future as well as a group.
Hello everyone, this is Prachi Sharma from Trade Fair TV. We have with us the bridal couture queen, Archana Kochar. How do you make these girls look so beautiful?
I think I love designing. I love making people look beautiful.
Archana Kochar, one of the most amazing designers that our country has.
Girls are so beautiful and we should do whatever we can to enhance our looks. I think my travel inspires me into creating new creations and new ideas.
Hello everyone, this is Shamim Farooq from Trade Fair TV at the Renaissance Convention Center. This is the IT event that has been happening. More than 75 countries from all over the world have come here in Mumbai to showcase their best of their IT services.
Today we have 500 such delegates from 70 countries.
India is the best place for IT business.
This is a really innovative platform, yeah.
India is doing very good in the IT.
We have solution for Microsoft Outlook.
We build products in telecom and internet space.
Frankfurt is the IT hub in the world actually. We have 100 plus software experts in-house.
Technology is the only way by which the reach of the teacher and the doctor can be taken to every citizen.
There are a lot of guys who seems to be interested in the IT solution.
This is Prachi Sharma from Trade Fair TV, standing at the Bombay Exhibition Center. We're about to enter Palmex. which is supposedly India's greatest and the most dedicated event. So let's go check it out.
Palmex is in Mumbai after 9 years.
They're participating in Palmex for many years. Cater to all aspects of printing. The kind of response we're getting is just phenomenal. It's a successful exhibition.
India market is growing up.
See a glorious future for both for India and our company.
We'll be participating in next Palmex if it is in Mumbai.
Welcome to one of the biggest and the most awaited event of the nation, the Make in India Week. As you can see behind me is hall number 3 and 5. There are more than 20 such halls here at the Make in India event. Each and every hall caters to different industry, different sector.
जो महाराष्ट्र इन्वेस्टमेंट सेमिनार हुआ, इसको बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस मिला है, जिसमें 28 लाख लोगों को रोजगार देने की संभावना तैयार हो रही है.
We have produced more than 200 helicopters of ALH. There are a lot of opportunities for us to grow together.
This is a mobile autonomous robotic system.
We take pride in providing the systems to Indian Army and Air Force.
We are delighted to be at the Make in India exhibition.
हम आके यहाँ परफॉर्मेंस किए, हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा.
इस सरकार ने एक तरह से मेक इन इंडिया का जो प्रोजेक्ट आगे लिया है, उससे यहाँ की इंडस्ट्री का ग्रोथ बढ़ेगा.
Hi guys, welcome to Trade Fair TV. Today I've got something interesting for you. The autocar performance from the PKC.
This is Prachi Sharma from Trade Fair TV and I'm back again with another exciting exhibition, FinBridge 2016. It is all about financial services and technology industry.
Participating at FinBridge Expo basically provides all the exhibitors a very good platform wherein they can exhibit their products.
We want people to understand about the capital market.
This is the right place to do your broking with.
Most of the people who come here are from the financial industry.
I am in this stock market since last 30 years. I'm not very much sure which company is going to suffice my purpose.
All these tips will be very valuable and beneficial for you. So do not miss it out. Use the best of it and see you very soon at Trade Fair TV.